Hello everyone. Today topic is hybridization. In the last class we discussed hybridization, and in this we have to discuss some more points, that is how to find hybridization for a ion, and also how to find the number of hybrid orbitals and pure orbitals for a organic compound. So let us begin the class. Example, an ion NH4 plus. So in this NH4 plus, let us find the hybridization. So here the central atom is nitrogen, and here we are having 4 hydrogens. So take it as 4 plus half into group number of nitrogen is 5, and monovalent are nothing but 4 hydrogens. And whenever there is a positive charge, then you have to take it as minus 1. If there is positive charge as plus 2, then you have to do here minus 2. And if negative charge, minus charge is there, here you have to do it as plus 1 or plus 2. So one positive charge, you have to take it as minus 1. And now let us calculate. Now we get this 4 plus half into, so this 5 minus 5. So this is equal to 0. So finally we get this as 4 plus 0, which is equal to 4. So here the hybridization is sp3. So in the previous class you can see, when you are getting 4, the hybridization is sp3, and this 0 is nothing but the number of lone pairs. And let us take one more example. It is SO4 minus 2. So I'm directly doing this. So here also the number of atoms around sulfur, that is oxygen atoms, are 4 plus half into group number of sulfur is sixth group. So it is 6 minus 4 oxygens. So divalent. So it is 8, and minus 2 is nothing but you have to take this as plus 2. Whenever there is negative charge, you add that charge plus 2. So if you calculate this, we get 4 plus this half into 6 minus 8 and plus 2, this becomes 0. So this is also 4 plus 0, which is equal to 4. So here also the hybridization is said to be sp3. So let us do two more examples. I am taking CH3 plus. So in this CH3 plus, the number of hydrogens are 3, then half into group number of carbon is 4, and 3 hydrogens are there, so it is minus 3, and whenever there is a plus charge you have to subtract minus 1. So this is equal to 3 plus 0. So if you calculate this, you get 3 plus 0. So this is equal to 4. Sorry, this is equal to 3. So the hybridization you are getting is sp2. So 3 means hybridization is sp2. Last example, let us take CH3 minus. So in the CH3 minus, it is 3 plus half into group number of carbon is 4 minus 3, and whenever negative charge is there, you have to add it plus 1. And now we get this as 3 plus half into, so this is 5 minus 3, which is nothing but 2. So this 2 gets cancelled, and we get this as 3 plus 1, which is nothing but 4. And the hybridization here, it is sp3 with one lone pair. So this is a method how to calculate hybridization for ions. Now let us see how to calculate pure and hybrid orbitals of a organic compound. So let us take one example, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. And in the last class, we have discussed how to write the hybridizations. So when a carbon is having 4 sigma bonds, then the hybridization is sp3. So this is also sp3. And if you have any doubts, you can see the previous video. So this is also sp3. So now in the question, sometimes he may ask to calculate the number of pure orbitals and hybrid orbitals. So this is an extension of hybridization. So we will not stop up to hybridization. We will go some more deep into the topic, and he will ask what is the number of pure orbitals and what is the number of hybrid orbitals. So the number of hybrid orbitals, I am writing hybrid orbitals HO. They are nothing but, so sp3. So there are 4 hybrid orbitals in sp3. So total there are 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So it is equal to 16 hybrid orbitals. And when calculating pure orbitals, so when you are calculating pure orbitals, what you have to do means count the number of hydrogens. So here the number of hydrogens are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the number of hydrogens are 10. So here pure orbitals are 10. And if any pi bond is there, multiply the pi bond with 2. If one pi bond is there along here in the pure orbitals, you add that pi bond as 2. If 2 pi bonds are there, then make it as 2 into 2. Nothing but you have to add 4. So take one example. So this is only with sp3 hybridization. So now I am taking one more example with pi bond. Then you will understand. So CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH3. This is the example. So hybridization is sp3, and whenever there is one pi bond and 3 sigma bonds, the hybridization is sp2, and this is also sp2, and this is sp3. Now the number of hybrid orbitals. So for the hybrid orbitals, you remember sp3 will have 4 hybrid orbitals, sp2 will have 3 hybrid orbitals, sp will have 2 hybrid orbitals. So here this is 4 and this is 3 plus 3 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8 and this is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So number of hybrid orbitals are equal to 14. So 4 plus 4 8 and this 3 plus 3 6. So total it is nothing but 14. And now to calculate the pure orbitals. If you want to calculate pure orbitals, you just count the hydrogens. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 and along with this take pi bond. So the number of pi bonds are 1. So take it as 2 into 1. So this is equal to 8 plus 2, which is nothing but 10. So the number of pure orbitals in this molecule is nothing but it is equal to 10. Okay. Let us take one more example. CH triple bond CH. And in this the hybridization of CH is sp, and here also the hybridization of CH is sp. And the number of hybrid orbitals, they are equal to 2 plus 2, 4. And number of pure orbitals, see the number of hydrogens. So 2 hydrogens plus 2 into, count the number of pi bonds. 2 pi bonds are there, so it is 2 into 2. So 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. So the number of hybrid orbitals are 4 and number of pure orbitals are 6. So you can just count the hydrogens and multiply the number of pi bonds with 2. If there are 3 pi bonds in some example, you can take it as 2 into 3. So in this, next let us take one more example. CH triple bond C, CH double bond CH2. And in this hybridization of this carbon is sp, and hybridization of this carbon is also sp, and hybridization of this carbon is sp2, and this carbon is sp2. Now in this, the number of hybrid orbitals are 2 plus 2, 4. This is 3 plus 3. So it is 6. So total hybrid orbitals are equal to 10. And you can also write the number of pure orbitals. So just count the hydrogens. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus, see the pi bonds. So in a triple bond there are 2 pi bonds, and in a double bond there is 1 pi bond. So you multiply this 2 into 3 for pi bonds. So it is 4 plus 2 into 3 is 6, which is nothing but equal to 10. So the number of pure orbitals in this molecule, it is equal to 10. Let us see this question. What is the ratio of pure and hybrid orbitals of benzene? And these are the options given. So first let us write the structure of benzene. So what is the formula of benzene? It is C6H6. So this is the structure of benzene. So you have CH, 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 and the CH, and we have a alternate pi bonds. So this is the structure of benzene. So if you see here, this carbon is having 3 sigma bonds and pi bonds. Not only this, all the carbons. So the hybridization of each carbon is sp2. So all the carbons are having sp2 hybridization. So now the question is, he is asking ratio of pure and hybrid. So first let us take number of pure orbitals, and then let us take number of hybrid orbitals. So number of hybrid orbitals is, this is 3. So we are having 6 carbons. So this is 18 hybrid orbitals are there. You can count this. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 and 3 plus 3 plus 3. Total it is 18. And when coming to pure orbitals, you just count the hydrogens and 2 into pi bond. So number of hydrogens are 6, and pi bonds are nothing but they are 3. So it is 6 plus 6. So it is equal to 12. So if you want, I can write here. So the number of pure orbitals, hydrogens plus 2 into pi bond. This gives pure orbitals. So I calculated here, number of hydrogens are 6 and pi bonds are 3. So 2 into 3. So total you are getting this as 12. So now the question is, he is asking ratio. So what is the ratio means? Pure and hybrid. So it is 12 is to 18. So 12 is to 18, if you simplify this, so this is 6 2 times and this is 6 3 times. So the answer is 2 is to 3. So this third option is the answer. So this is all about hybridization. So in this way, he can ask hybridization for organic molecule, and he may also ask how to find this pure orbitals and hybrid orbitals, or sometimes he will ask to find the ratio of pure and hybrid orbitals. So that's all for the day. Thank you.